Hey there everybody, how you guys doing? Today we're going to talk about this monstrosity that we have built. And I haven't done an update video in a long time. Got a lot of school, a lot of coronavirus. But here we are at the fort. Bunch of new stuff. You can see we have a roof, the third floor is done. Patio has more. Now we have a deck along with the loft that we redid. That's what all these are from actually. It's because we had to redo it. We even got a pull-up bar over there. Just give you probably a full walk around because I've never done it. This thing's just massive too. It's absolutely nuts. Trying to get it all into one frame, but I can't. Just kind of get the idea, right? So I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna do a big tour. Let's talk about it. Talk about what's new and everything else. Got our wind chimes. Let's hop in. Sorry about the wind. Keeping it festive. Right? Here we are on the inside. Urinal that flushes. It's frozen right now because it's freezing out today. We do have running water, but again, probably frozen. It's frozen. There's nothing in there. And this is the catch bucket. It's also frozen. Pop-Tart. Hammer. Wood saw. Normal saw. Climb up this ladder. Right. Once you get up here, now you're onto the patio. Oops. Leave that there. So we got our normal stuff. Bench, armrest, bench. Some nails and stuff. Got the mother of all drinks in the cooler. Got some 2 liters, bunch of dew. Bunch of $1 sodas from the finest dollar store. Try to get that thing back in there. There. We got a bike, piece of shit. Saw, got some more saws hanging around too. I'm not sure where they went. Orange soda. Got a ladder that runs all the way up to the 3rd floor, all the way down, where there's a work table and some rope. Got a basketball hoop over there. Here's our new deck, and it looks really, really good. Sorry about the wind, but it looks really good compared to what it was. It used to extend out to that tree, cut it back a few feet, made it shorter, made it smooth, nice floor. This just fell out when I got up here. Let's go up to the 3rd floor now. We also got a zip line here being held in, and we have one on the other side too, which is up on the 3rd floor. So here's another ladder going up to the 3rd floor. Right, we should put another step on that. This is where our rain collects. Into this bucket, drains in, goes into the hole, which is sealed. Another rain pan. Got our shingles made out of pine trees. Can walk on here. Tarp to protect the bench from getting wet. Everything's pretty normal up here. Just normal roof. There he is. And that's what's new. So, a lot of additions, a lot of extra sticks. See you guys next time.